In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find My PayPal tag. If you're trying to share your PayPal details with someone so they can find you more easily, your PayPal tag is usually the quickest way to do it. The good news is that it's very easy to locate inside the app or platform once you know where to look. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the section labeled Send and Request and tap on it. This area is where PayPal keeps the tools related to sending money, requesting payments, and managing the people you interact with. After you enter the Send and Request section, the next thing you need to do is go to the Contacts tab. This tab is typically where PayPal shows your saved contacts, suggested people, and your own profile information. If you don't immediately notice it, just take a second to look across the available tabs in that section until you find Contacts. Once you open the Contacts tab, you should be able to see your PayPal profile displayed there. In that same area, your PayPal tag will appear along with your profile. This is the tag you can share with others if they need an easy way to identify your account. It's especially useful because it helps avoid confusion when there are multiple users with similar names. When viewing your profile and tag, make sure you're looking at your own account details and not one of your contacts. If needed, pause for a moment and confirm that the profile shown is yours before sharing anything. That's really all there is to it. You go to Send and Request, open the Contacts tab, and there you'll find your PayPal profile and your PayPal tag. It's a simple path, but if you've never looked for it before, it can be easy to miss. As a quick tip, when sharing your PayPal tag, always double-check that you're sending the correct one so people can reach the right account. And if your screen looks a little different, that can happen because app layouts sometimes change slightly depending on your device or the version of PayPal you're using. Even so, the overall process should stay very similar. Now you know exactly where to find your PayPal tag and how to access it whenever you need it.